Now we'll see the difference between male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So, in male reproductive system, most part occur outside the body, whereas in female reproductive system, every part occur inside the body. Testes are the main male gonads and ovaries are the female gonads. Male reproductive system is designed for the delivery of sperms into the female reproductive system, whereas this female reproductive system is designed for nurturing a baby. Components of male reproductive system includes penis, scrotum, seminal vesicle, vas deferens, prostate, and Cowper's gland, whereas components of female reproductive systems include vulva, clitoris, perineum, vagina, cervix, uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and mammary glands. This in male reproductive system collection of male genital organs concerned with reproduction, and in female reproductive system both internal and external structures of females which enable reproduction. Male Male urethra conducts both urine and semen, whereas female urethra occurs separate from the vaginal opening. Function of male reproductive system is the production of sperms and delivering sperms into the female reproductive system, whereas the function of female reproductive system is producing ova, receiving sperms, facilitating fertilization, supporting and nourishing the growth of embryo or growing embryo. Male reproductive system continuously produces gametes, whereas female reproductive system production of gametes stops with menopause. Males have continuous production of hormones, whereas females have a cyclic production of hormones which causes menstruation. Male reproductive system produces hormones like gonadotropin releasing hormones, LH, FSH, and testosterone, whereas female produces gonadotropin releasing hormone, LH, FSH, estrogen, and progesterone. Male reproductive system produces 1 billion sperms per month, whereas female reproductive system produces a single ovum per month. So these are the differences between male and female reproductive system in terms of their production of gametes, then hormones, then their cyclic pattern of or process or continuous or cyclic production of gametes and hormones, then functions, parts of them, and then also what is the role of them in or in terms of their further generations.